Welcome to Mobile Car Mechanic. Today we're going to show you how to change the battery on this 2023 Honda Odyssey. It's going to apply from 2018 all the way to 2025. Let's get to it. Our parts and tools needed are going to be the battery itself, of course. We went with an H6 or Group 48. We have a 10mm deep socket. We have a regular socket wrench 3/8 with an extension, a small flathead, and a Phillips head. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and, once we have our hood open here, basically what we're going to do is take our prop rod. So there's two positions. There's a regular position right here, and then you have your service one that's right here, which opens up the hood a lot more. And basically gives you a lot more room to not hit your head. Probably, especially if you're tall, that'd probably be a blessing. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove this plastic cover, and all we have to do is just pull up on it. Okay, and we'll slide it in a way where we can clear it out that the hood latch, and then we have to focus on this side of the engine. All right, so what we need to do is we need to focus on these two Phillips head clip screws. So hopefully we don't spin them out or anything like that, but essentially what's going to happen is we're going to take these out and then we're going to pull outward because it's just friction fit. So we're going to go get your Phillips head, and don't put any pressure down on it. Just go ahead and let it kind of unthread itself, because if you do, it'll push the clip into place and you'll essentially be spinning it forever. And if you ever run into a situation where you're spinning this and this is spinning at the bottom, just hold this down with your finger or a flathead like this, and then you can turn it so it doesn't spin this piece along with it. Otherwise you'll be in an endless loop. Okay, so I got the screws out. Sometimes you can get these out without taking the screw completely out, but I didn't try hard enough. Just gonna get a flathead under there. Okay, now we should be able to go ahead and just lift this up, so you'll now have some movement, and then we're going to pull outward. So we're going to pull towards us, give it a little wiggle, and that should be out of the way. And now our main focus here is that battery. So we have the terminals here, so positive, negative, all 10mm, as well as the 10mm hold down here, as well as this one. These clips are very, very finicky and just annoying to work with. I'm not going to say that I'll get it out without breaking it, but I'm going to do my best. Okay, so before we can go ahead and remove what holds down this bracket for the battery, we have a 10mm here, which we're going to use a deep 10, and then we have one under this thing, this wire hold down. Now this is a 10mm nut basically, and what we're going to do now is we're just going to go ahead and do lefty-loosey, but we have to hold this down so that we don't kind of stress the wire out, and it's going to click when it's turning so that it doesn't, I guess it keeps it in place from backing out. So just hear the noise. Okay, as you can see, it's all good to go. Now we're going to go ahead and focus on these two guys here. Now we have plenty of movement. So you'll see down here, the hook is hooked into that. So we just got to push it inward to get it out of the hook. And then we can grab on the top of the thread to kind of spin it around, just to release it. And we'll do the same thing for this side right here too. There we go. Let's lay this to the side. Now we're going to go ahead and focus on the terminals here. Okay, make sure that doesn't touch any metal. Then we will go ahead and knock this one out too. Give it a little wiggle. Okay, now I can touch metal. It's fine, no biggie. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and pop this cover off. Let's see if we can get this out of the way here. There we go. Looks like it has like some sort of module in it, or a multi-fuse. Okay. Just see if I can slide that under there. There we go. Now we should be able to go ahead and pull out our battery. All right. So yeah, this is the time if you want to. We're just gonna not do it. But if you want to empty out the box, you can use the vacuum cleaner to go ahead and knock that out. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here. And we'll go put those down. Pop this guy right off. Put the cover back on. Before we do that, let's take off the cover on this one. Almost forgot that. Okay, and we'll know that it's good when the terminals are perfectly circled in. And then we can go ahead and put the reverse of what we did earlier, which is the positive here. Put the negative on. You may hear a little sparking. Okay, go ahead and tighten them up. You don't need to crank these down too hard. You just want to crank them down until they don't move anymore. Now that we have the terminals in place, we're going to go ahead and put that bracket that we took out earlier. So we're going to have a hook that goes into there. We're going to have another one that goes into here. So I'm going to put it straight down. You'll know you're good when you see it go through the hole. Let's gotta start tightening it down. Should look very similar as far as thread is concerned. Battery's not moving. Put this over here. We'll go ahead and screw this back in. You might be able to push it down even. Okay, so we can push it down. Now we should be able to go ahead and put the top of the box here, the tube to the air box. So I'm gonna just wiggle it on there until these lock into each other. Okay. If you have the clips out like this, just make sure that these all go in. Otherwise, if not, you're going to break it. You don't want to do that. And then sometimes it helps to spin it. Let's see if they are push style. Beautiful. Great, now that we have that in place, we're just going to go ahead and put the cover back on. Okay, so these are the clips that are built into the cover. We just need to match them up with all these little openings. Let's just get this under the catch. You don't even have to push that hard. Make sure everything's tightened. And that's it. Thanks for watching Mobile Car Mechanic. Today we just showed you how to replace the battery on this 2023 Honda Odyssey. Again, this will apply from 2018 all the way to 2025. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.